Hello my friends, I have another template for you for Fusion Davinci Resolve. This time is abstract background and you can download on my blog, and links for my blog will be under the video in video description. Now I will show you a few examples. Okay, once you open the Fusion, you go on FX Library, go on templates and folder where you extracted and download my file, and just drag and drop abstract PG003 and just connect to the media out, and that's it. Now I will ungroup this one and show you. This first background here is the lowest background, lowest layer, if you can call it like this, and then go from here, from low to the highest layer. So if you want to move it, just click on rectangle and just move it around. And the background, change the color like this, and the shadow, the size, and whatever you want. And this merge are just merges for the layers, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.